Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any videos. We have been all wondering if SarahLanga and the international DJ BlackCoffee were having an affair. Well, most of the people thought that the two were dating, and they thought wrong. We have learned that the two, meaning SarahLanga and BlackCoffee, were always spotted in the same location but never together. Although this doesn't mean that they are having an affair. Just 2 weeks back, BlackCoffee and SarahLanga again, they were spotted partying in Miami, and they were never together, even though they shared the pics of the very same location. Now we all know, as Sona BlackCoffee's son, he posted a picture of SarahLanga, and most of the people were amazed, for it looked like an approval or an acceptance for his rumored stepmom. Again, that raised lots of questions and left people confused. A fan or a follower asked SarahLanga if she was planning to be in a relationship anytime soon. This is how she replied. There you have it. SarahLanga has explained it all, what it looked like an affair. Please share your thoughts and comment down below. Let's jump right into our next topic. Congratulations to the chef Lorna and EFF Deputy President Floyd Shivambu, for they have welcomed their first newborn baby. Sources close to the couple claim that Lorna gave birth to a healthy baby this month, and the father of the baby is the second in command in the EFF political party. They all hoped the baby would be born in the next coming month, of which it happened that the baby was born this month. Now, these two lovebirds are seriously in love with each other, and it's great news for them. For Chef Lorna has always wanted to be a mom, said the sources. It has been said that the baby is the fourth child to the EFF second-in-command leader, and the baby is the firstborn to the media personnel Chef Lorna Masego. Last year in September, the TV personnel Lorna denied that she was pregnant, saying she was suffering from fibroids. This is what she said on IG page at that time. Let me nip this in the bud real quickly. I'm not pregnant. It's actually evil. Women suffer from many issues, fibroids, which I have, endometriosis and many more. Stop it, Lorna posted. Another source came out to say Floyd Shivambu was very much in love with the former top-billing presenter, and this time, Shivambu made it clear that he wanted to spend the rest of his life with Lorna Masego. Sources have it all. It has been said that they used to attend a lot of social gatherings, and at some point, Lorna organized a surprise birthday celebration for him, showing him how much she appreciates him. Also, same applies to Floyd. Whenever he gets a chance, he will spoil Lorna, and they are happy together.